I was young, and now I am old, yet I have never seen the righteous forsaken, nor their seed begging bread. Let that sink in. Because right now, someone is watching this, maybe it's you, who feels like life has given you nothing but blows. You feel like you're running on empty, spiritually bruised, mentally exhausted, financially drained, and yet you're still here. Why? Because deep down, something inside of you refuses to give up. That, my friend, is faith. That's the spark we're going to fan into flame today. As we started earlier on, it is essential to know that life doesn't always come at us with warning signs. One minute you're full of dreams and ambition, the next you're drowning in debt, dealing with rejection, or lying awake wondering if God still hears you. The truth is, everyone hits that wall. Even Jesus in Gethsemane cried out in deep sorrow. It's part of the human experience. But do you know where we differ? It is how we respond. Let's be honest, faith doesn't always feel like fire. Sometimes it feels like fatigue. You're praying, but you're numb. You're reading scripture, but your heart is checked out. This is where a lot of people give up. But this is also where God begins to do his greatest work. King David wasn't writing poetry. He was recording testimony. He had lived through betrayal, war, heartbreak, and loss. But he could boldly say, I have never seen the righteous forsaken. This wasn't blind optimism. It was rooted in the track record of God's faithfulness. Even when things looked grim, God was still writing the story. You know what's wild? God doesn't need our perfection. He needs our surrender. Brokenness is the breeding ground for breakthrough. Ask Joseph. Ask Job. Ask anyone who ever got to the other side of pain with their faith intact. In fact, sometimes God lets you hit rock bottom, not to bury you, but to build you from the foundation up. There's power in the pain, but only if you let it point you to purpose. You see, as we go through life challenges, you might feel invisible, but God sees you. Honestly, he sees you through and through, and he knows how it feels because he has been there too at some point during his journey on earth. And you're not the only one wrestling. Right now, all around the world, people are waking up with anxiety, with fear, with questions about their worth. But here's what they need to know, and maybe it's what you need to hear too. You are not forsaken. You are not forgotten. God is working, even now. Just hold on and hold forth. I bet it with you that it will worth the wait at the end of it all. If this video hit home, I want you to do 3 things. First, type God is not done with me in the comments. Speak it. Claim it. Second, hit the like button. It tells the algorithm to send this to more people who needs to hear this. Third, subscribe to the channel because every week we're speaking life, purpose, and biblical truth into your journey. Yes, we grow together here. Share this with someone who's been in the dark too long. Be the light they're praying for. I'll leave you with this. The same God who brought you to this valley is powerful enough to bring you through it. Keep walking. Don't lose hope. And never forget, you are never forsaken. See you in my next video.